Hello kids, welcome to Blue4. You are watching Wow Facts. I am Pooja. Today I'll be sharing some insights and some secret about things you might not know. Why do guitars have a hollow box? Have you heard about earwax? To know all these interesting facts, please do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kids, do you like to play guitar? Have any idea why guitar have a hollow box? Come, let's find the answer in this video.
Whenever we strike an object, it vibrates. Sometimes these vibrations influence other objects to vibrate. The vibrations which take place under the influence of an external periodic force are called forced vibrations. A guitar has a hollow box that holds quite a huge volume of air. Now, when we strike its string, it starts to vibrate. Hence, as a huge volume of air is vibrating, the sound produced is louder.
Kids, have you heard about earwax? Are you wondering what I am talking about? Then come, let's find the answer in this video.
Earwax is used to lubricate and protect our ear canal, middle ear and inner ear. Our ear canal consists of special glands. They produce an oily and waxy substance called cerumen. Cerumen moisturizes our ears. It traps dust and dead skin cells, keeping our ears clean. Besides this, cerumen also has antibacterial properties. When harmful microbes try to enter deeper into our ears, the cerumen traps and kills the microbes. These dead microbes, dust, oil, and dead skin cells together form the earwax.
I hope you all got right answers and enjoyed today's Wow Fact video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep watching Blue4.